Good morning. Today I'm going to do a little video on what I use in my hair when I actually want to do it. Normally before I use these products, I just did mom bun all day, every day. My hair was dry, brittle, horrible. Anyways, so first things first, I'm using our Rejuva beads, which is a split end mender. As you can see, I use very little. A little goes a long way with this, which is amazing because it lasts you a long time. I'll usually use it about once a week, once every couple weeks. And then now second, I'm going to use our blowout cream, which has heat protectant in it. Helps you blow dry faster. Again, little tiny amount, little goes a long way. I've had that since January. It's June and there's still so much left in the bottle. So I'm just putting that on, getting it all worked out, get it through the hair, blah, blah, blah. Do you ever wonder what you're thinking when you're doing your hair and makeup? Oh, this is a no kitty. You can't go in the window right now. Don't knock my phone over. She doesn't like that. Because you know how cats are. So, no kitty. Bye-bye. Alright. Now, where were we? So I kind of let those sit in for a second. Next thing I'll put in is our new anti-frizz primer. Just got it, love it. It's our only for you gift, which is a free product you can get. That's me saying, it's a little much, but whatever. So just gonna work that through the hair. La la la, work, work, work. Alright, so these are the three products that I just used. The Rejuva Beads, Blowout Cream, and Anti-Frizz Primer. Ah, coffee. It's the good stuff. Oh yeah. Blow dry time, my least favorite thing to ever do. Alright, so here we go. P.S. Are you wondering why my hairbrush doesn't have a handle? Yeah, it's because my toddler broke it and I don't care to go get a new one. Works just fine. And for the record, I am not a hairstylist, never have been. So sorry for those who are and are cringing at my techniques. But you know, it's just how I roll, so whatever. I definitely will say that using that blowout cream, blow drying goes by so much faster. Before these products, it would take me about a half hour just to blow dry. Then I'd have to let it sit. Then I would straighten. Notice such a difference. It's insane. Been using these products for 6 months now. Oh, coffee break. And I am just still every day so impressed. My hair is so much healthier, shinier. Oh, this was a good time. I think my straightener's... Oh, do I have black under my eyes? Or is that the lighting? Ooh. I don't know. Anyway, this thing's about to crap out on me, I think. Numbers are not really working. This is saying it's 21. Okay, figure out where the light's coming from, Tracy. The other side. Anyways, it says 21 on it. Alright. There we go, whatever. So I like to just straighten on the top layer. I don't know why, I always have. It just seems to work out better in the end when I get back to the top section. So I'm just gonna go around, do a little bit of the top. And now we're going to section and straighten, section and straighten. And again, before I use these products, this would take me a good half hour to do because I'd have to go over each section like 5 times. Now I can pretty much get 1 or 2 passes and be good. What should I do today? I don't know. Nothing. I've been making an effort to get ready at least 3 times a week, even if I'm just at the house. I've noticed how much more I seem to get done work-wise. Normally I'm in sweats and no bra. Oh yeah, look at that. Time to get my roots done. You can definitely tell it's been 3 months, but hey, still looking good. Whatever. Oh, got a text message. Alright, what was I saying? I have no idea. Oh yeah, not wearing sweats and no bra all day. I'm getting ready and I just feel so much better. And it's a nice little alone time in the morning to do some thinking, what I gotta get done all day. Oh yeah, look at that. I like it. So soft, airy, light. Yeah, not bad, Tracy. Looking good. Alright. Alright, cool. So the last thing I'm going to be putting in my hair is our Rejuvenate oil. This stuff is amazing. I normally just put it on my hands and my face every day. On the days that I do actually do my hair, like today, I just put 1 or 2 drops, can't really tell, very little, rub it through my hands, and then just put it on the ends of your hair, and it will eventually work its way up. If you put it on your roots, your hair will turn out to be a little greasy, but I just put a little bit to kind of tame the new growth that's coming out. Oh yeah, look at that, so shiny. So here's the Rejuvenate oil. Once again, I've had this since January, used it almost every day. So this is a good time. So I wanted to show you natural light, kind of the shine. I don't know if you could hear in the background, I heard someone cough outside. I'm going, what is that? And that's me realizing that my neighbors were sitting outside and they could probably see me. That's awkward. Well, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions on what I use, what type of shampoo or conditioner I use, I could go over that because that has totally changed my hair game for sure. And there are some special techniques you want to use when using our products. If you're interested in learning about the business, I'd love to go over that with you too. I love this job. I love this company. It's amazing. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.